So we use these values here in order to stimulate the stock randomly. So S is the stock price, dt is the change in the stock price. So we are going to use monthly changes. So it is 1/12, the volatility, the risk-free rate, the dividend yield, and the drift, which we have calculated here. So we use this formula here to stimulate the stock price. So it's the stock price plus the change in the stock price is the stock price in the future, which is equal to the change, or the stock price multiplied by the exponential function, and you multiply that then by the drift. This is the drift here. Mu is R minus Q, so we've calculated that there. Multiplied by delta t, which is the 1/12, plus what we calculated in the previous slide in the norms inverse, which is done here. And we then multiply that by the change in t, which is dt to the power of 0.5, which is the same as the square root. So if we have to F4 most of these cells here in order to drag it across so that they stay constant. So we see here then how the stock is stimulated over a 12-month period. So we can observe the random behavior of the stock using one path from the graph below if we hit F9. You can also make the graph more dramatic by changing the volatility.